The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon Emergency Management. Residents of the listed counties are advised to stop water usage immediately, as the county's water system has been contaminated with a harmful substance. Usage includes flushing toilets, taking showers, washing dishes, and drinking. Again, if you are in the affected counties, stop water usage immediately. Do not boil water. If you become, or have been exposed to city water, get medical attention immediately. Stay tuned to local news media outlets for further information on this hazard.